There's these little sanding twigs, I think people call them. And they're like a quarter, or just buy a bunch of them. They come in handy. You could certainly just make slices of sandpaper. So here, you know, I need a flat surface. You know, it's not like this is granite or anything, but for my purposes, it's fine. And you see there where it's just, you can see where the filler just fills those low spots, right? So, definitely needed it, but it's not crazy. So here, there's this detail that got filled up. I didn't want that to get filled up. So here I got a plastic knife. Plastic razor blades are cool. I don't have any more of those. And, you know, just picking it out.